So today's video I will be sharing with you this hair product, Cantu. So if you want to grow natural hair and you don't want any harsh shampoo or conditioner, so this is the right place. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So let me explain each and every one of the products. So when you are buying the products, you know how it works. If you need everything or you just need one or two. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Hello beautiful people, how are you doing? You are welcome to my YouTube channel and you are welcome to my Facebook page. If this is your first time of watching my video, you are welcome. If you have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you very much for subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to watch it. And if you like my video, don't forget to drop your comment on the comment section. So this is the shampoo you use to wash your hair. This is how the shampoo looks inside, like this. So you use this shampoo to wash your hair. You see, it's a soap. This is the soap you use to wash your hair. This is the first product you will apply on your hair. Before using this shampoo, make sure you wet your hair with water and apply this shampoo on your hair. After washing this shampoo with your hair like this for some minutes, and you rinse with water. This is hydrating cream condition. So this condition is after you rinse your hair with water, then you apply this condition on your palm like this. Apply it in your hair like this. So do not rinse immediately, just wait for like 10 minutes. Then you comb your hair, use your hand to massage your hair. Then you just wait for this shampoo to rest on your hair for some minutes. You apply condition on your hair. Do not rinse with hot water or warm water. You either rinse with cool water, like the water is not hot, is not warm, it's just in the middle. This condition will give your hair that softness, and this condition has no silicone. Okay, it has no silicone. It helps your hair to retain natural oil, and it's great for natural and colored hair. It's made with shea butter and it's really nice. Leave-in condition is made with shea butter for natural hair. If you are experiencing hair breakage on your hair always break. So after washing your hair, this leave-in condition is like this inside. So this is how it looks. Look, I'm almost done. Just divide your hair into 4 parts like how I did it now. For instance, take one part of the hair, okay? You cut your hair, you use your hand to divide it like this. So this leave-in condition, for instance, you're going to apply this leave-in condition on your hair, like the down of your hair to the top, like this, okay? Make sure that you start from the down to the top, like this. Then you're going to do the same thing to the whole hair, the entire hair, like this. The entire hair, make sure you do everything to this. Do not rinse, okay? Do not rinse the leave-in condition. After doing that, do not rinse your hair. Just leave it in your hair. It's going to stop your hair from breakage, and it's going to help your hair to grow, and it's going to manage your hair for you in a better way, like you will stop losing hair. It's going to protect your hair, and your hair is going to grow every other day. What I noticed about this, when I apply this leave-in condition on my hair, I noticed the softness on my hair. After applying this leave-in condition, you just use elastic band to tie your hair. It does not really matter, but your hair will be growing every month. My hair, or just drawing it out like this. I noticed that my hair is just pulling off. But since I've been using this product, if I'm just touching my hair or I'm combing it, my hair is no longer falling off anymore. So this product is really nice, and it helped me to grow my natural hair. Coconut oil, after massaging it with the leave-in condition, I just take a little bit of coconut oil. This is coconut oil. You know, I just apply it alongside with the leave-in condition, okay? So sometimes I also use olive oil. I pour it into a container to make it more easy for me to use. So you applying the oil in your hair or the coconut oil will not be obvious for people to know that you apply leave-in conditioner in your hair. You applying only the leave-in conditioner on your hair, you're going to see some white things on your, like this one, like you're going to see some white cream on your hair. But when you apply olive oil or coconut oil, people will not notice that there is you have leave-in conditioner in your hair. So the olive oil and coconut oil will make it look more beautiful and natural. You see that? So you will notice that I have leave-in conditioner in my hair. Leave-in conditioner with shea butter. So this one is very nice for hair breakage. So this one, you can only get this one when you are losing hair, or when you comb your hair is pulling out. Hair breakage, you need to get this product. This product is a miracle. This product will stop your hair from hair breakage. This product will make your hair grow overnight. It's going to help your hair to grow nice and grow stronger, and no breakage. You will not experience any breakage. Okay, so this is how it looks. So you see, I'm almost done, and it's very big. So after you apply this on your hair, make sure you massage your hair very well. Make sure that this leave-in conditioner go inside your hair, like down from the down to the top of your hair. And after doing that, you just separate your hair and twist your hair, or just braid it as you want. You cover your hair with plastic, or if you have something to cover your hair, just cover it, and it's gonna work in your hair. So this one is treatment for your hair breakage. It's leave-in conditioner repair, deeply moisturize to help protect hair from damage. Formula for overheating, overstyling hair. So if you are experiencing breakage from overheating or overstyling your hair, maybe you always braid your hair with extension, you always fix with on all the time, you always fix your hair, and you start noticing that your hair is falling out, just go get this product. Even if you didn't buy the shampoo or you didn't buy the conditioner, this one is a hair treatment that is going to help you to stop your hair breakage. This one is just a leave-in conditioner you apply on your hair and leave it. You style it with your hair. This one is leave-in conditioner you apply on your hair, and you just cover your hair with a plastic bag, or cover your hair with something, you know, to heat it. And also it's very nice. It's going to stop your hair from breaking. So it's two different things. Okay, when you are buying, you should know that this one is a leave-in conditioner that you can style your hair with. This one is a treatment. It's going to stop your hair from breakage. This one also will stop your hair from breakage, but this one is so powerful. It's hair treatment. Okay, so it's two different things. This one is condition creamy hair lotion, and it's made with shea butter also. And how to use this one: just apply this on your hair, then you just twist your hair. This is how it looks inside, like this. So okay, so how to use this one: just take you want to twist your hair, for example, just apply it on your hair like this, and as much as you need. Okay, then just twist your hair, like you twist your hair like this one, and you just leave it. You wait until the cream dries on your hair before you lose your hair, and it's going to give you that beautiful look. Okay, it's going to make your hair look more fuller and more beautiful. Okay? Or you can also do it in another section, like you just use your hand to roll your hair with this, like this. You wait until this cream, this condition dries in your hair. Okay, everybody can use it. Okay, just twist your hair like this, and you leave it until it dries on your hair. Then you can lose the braid. Like your hair will look like a dread. It's really nice when you twist everything like this. You have that beautiful look. So this is coconut coiling cream. So this one is to coil your hair. This is how it looks inside, and it's really smelling like coconut inside. Okay, it's really nice. So how to apply this: you just apply it on your hair like this. If you are that kind of person, you don't want to style your hair, or you don't want to use something to pack it, you know, like look natural, to have that natural coils on your hair, just apply it on your hair, like, you know, down to the top. And so this is how it looks. So it's really nice. It will give you that coiling look. Okay, so it's two different things. So I always use this all the time. Doing it for a lot of times, I just leave it like that to get dry. It's on your hair, and this is how your hair will look, you see. So it's really nice. The product is really nice. So this product will help you to moisturize your hair and strengthen your hair stand. It will make the coils to stand very well. If you can do this all the entire hair, your hair is going to look beautiful when it dries. Okay, so this is coils for kids, so it's the same thing. So I got this one for myself and I got this one for my kids, so I always use this for them. So after washing their hair, I just want to leave their hair like that, natural. I just apply this on their hair and just leave it. So it's the same thing. So this and this is the same thing. This product is made with natural ingredients. This product is for natural hair. This product is very nice. If you want to start your journey growing natural hair, go get this product. And this product is not too expensive. Okay, you can buy the whole full set for like 60 euro. I got each bottle for 8 euro each. I bought everything because of what I wanted. I want that natural. I don't want to leave anything behind. That's why I bought everything. If you are buying this product, I will advise you to buy the shampoo, the condition, the leave-in condition. Experiencing hair breakage, get this repair leave-in condition. It's going to repair your hair and stop your hair from breakage. So this product is really nice, and you're going to see great change on your hair because it's a natural product. It's a must. This is a must have if you want to grow natural hair. So guys, this is all I have to share with you on this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment on the comment section. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, Pretty Kids Braid by Alexia, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video to the end, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.